Hi, my name is Gogontlejang Phaladi. I'm 16 years old, doing Form 5 at my regular school. I'm from Botswana and I'm here to audition to become a TV presenter. Going to New York would be a brilliant opportunity for me. First of all, I believe America is a land of many opportunities, and for somebody like me, I believe I'll be able to explore my potentials and abilities and talents to the fullest. I believe that I'll be able to grow, I'll be able to graduate from the kind of environment I'm coming from. I'll be able to not only represent myself and my country, but also the continent of Africa, as there are very few Africans making the hits and the headlines in Hollywood. So that's why this would be a brilliant opportunity for me. Thank you. Hello, 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 and once again, it is the time of the day. It is Friday afternoon, and we're bringing to you your favorite Friday afternoon show, which is, with no doubt, the best music show in the land. Once again, I'm your loyal host, Gogontlejang Phaladi, aka Gigi, and then, as you've just seen, we're giving you the song Facebook by DJ Clear featuring Black Sim. Now, this is the hottest song around. Everybody loves Facebook. Everybody's on Facebook, so who could possibly not love the track? As I've already said, if you want to become part of our panel and discussion for today, you can call us on 3500131. That is 3500131. We have a lot of gifts we will be giving away, and if you want to send your comments or hollers and shout outs to people, you can SMS us on 71821204. That is 71821204. Today we're talking Botswana's Fashion Week and Botswana's first ever red carpet event, how you can get the tickets and go there and see your favorite celebrities, get a photo with them, or even better, get an autograph of them. But most importantly, today we're talking about the Gemstone talent search. You do remember it from 2008. A lucky girl won herself a contract to go to New York at a very prestigious modeling agency, and now it is an opportunity for you to also see yourself at New York and making it big. Now, if you think you're a talented musician, actor, actress, singer, a model, runaway, carpet, lingerie, whatever, you name it, then this is definitely one for you. They're holding auditions at President's Hotel in Main Mall from 10 to 4 o'clock every Saturday. So do make sure you make your way there. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, an opportunity not to miss. The question is, are you the next Gemstone? Because New York is waiting for you. We'll be talking more of that after the break.